Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study a programming language step by step. First, choose a language that fits your aspirations, whether it's for web development, data science, or mobile apps. Then, focus on understanding the core concepts like variables, data types, and basic control structures. Finally, set up your development environment, installing necessary compilers or interpreters to begin coding. Once you have the basics, consistent practice is key. Write small code snippets every day to solidify your understanding of syntax and functions. Then, challenge yourself by building simple projects. This is where theoretical knowledge transforms into practical skill. Don't shy away from errors. Debugging is a crucial part of the learning process. As you progress, explore more advanced topics to deepen your expertise. Learn about data structures like arrays and linked lists, and common algorithms that solve complex problems. Understand different programming paradigms, such as object-oriented or functional programming. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience and collaborate with others. Finally, continuous learning is absolutely vital in the ever-evolving world of programming. Make it a habit to regularly consult official documentation and language guides. These are the most authoritative sources for staying updated on best practices and new features. Engage actively with online communities and forums. They offer invaluable support, insights, and opportunities to collaborate with experienced developers. Also, remember to check the description below for links to other great learning resources and fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.